LearnDash versus Tutor LMS. Which one is better? I'm going to tell you whether LearnDash or Tutor LMS is the better choice for your online courses. LearnDash is a premium feature-rich LMS used by Fortune 500 companies and universities. It offers advanced tools like quizzes, drip-fed content, and automation, making it great for large-scale learning. However, it has a steeper learning curve and requires a paid license. Tutor LMS, on the other hand, is more user-friendly and offers a free version with a drag-and-drop course builder. It's ideal for smaller sites or beginners who want an easy setup. However, its free version is limited, and some users report weaker customer support. If you need enterprise-level features and scalability, go with LearnDash. If you want an affordable, beginner-friendly LMS, Tutor LMS is a great choice.